Mine's ready.
Keep hitting it, Joshua. Boy, don't pull it off.
It's ready.
Keep hitting, Joshua.
It's ready already. See,
Go hit it all the way down.
Not better.
Yeah, all the way down. You almost got it. You guys are doing good. Haven't even got my hand hit. Awesome.
I haven't did your hand.
Nobody hit my hand. Don't watch your hand, Mammon. I'd rather you hit mine than yours. Move your hand back. Move your hand back. I don't want you to hit your hand, okay?
Watch your hand.
If anybody's gonna get hit, it's gonna be Daddy, okay? I don't want you to hit yours. So let me hold it.
Hand.
It's okay. You're doing great.
I can hit my hand.
No, don't hit your hand. Watch your hand, Mammon. Move your hand.
Mine's ready. See? Look.
Yep, almost. Got just a little bit further, okay? You guys are doing awesome.
Can you help me?
Yes. All right.
Oh, I did it.
Oh, you can hold my hand, okay? Wait, let's hit that down a little bit. Okay, now, Mammon. Good work.
I did it.
You did it. Keep hitting, Mammon. You guys are doing awesome.
Mine's down already.